Hey everybody, Josh here, hudsonsphotoworkshops.com. Thanks for visiting our website. Hope you enjoy that free guide that my dad, the master craftsman photographer Bruce Hudson, put together for you. People find it very helpful. Obviously, the next step is to actually take a class here at our studio. If you click on the Register for Classes tab, you can see all the upcoming classes that we have. We do recommend you take our beginner course, 7 Steps to Better Photography, before you take any of the advanced ones. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot me a text, email. Be happy to answer any of those questions for you directly. But we do have kind of a special thing here for first-time students who've never taken a class from us. If you want to take one of our classes, we want to send you a $25 gift card that you can apply towards that class. So save you some money in your first one because we know we'll hook you and you'll be back. Just kind of wanted to show you what that actually is. So basically, you get a letter from me. Yes, an actual snail mail letter. And in that letter, it's got a gift card. So on that gift card, there's a special promo code. When you get it in the mail, you come back to our website, click on register for classes, put that promo code in, it'll take $25 off. So we're not going to sell your info. We're not going to do any of that stuff. It's just our way of saying thank you for visiting us. It's kind of hard to believe that the 7 years that we've been doing classes, we've had over 5,000 students come through our studio in Tukwila and take classes from my dad and also Amy, our Photoshop designer, who has an awesome Photoshop class. And you can apply that $25 off to the Photoshop one as well. So with that said, go ahead, opt in below. I'll get that in the mail to you. I'm the one that actually mails these. So keep me busy. I like it. And hopefully we'll see you in the class. Thanks.